Hi guys and welcome to another video. So in this video we are going to talk about if else and else actually. So I'm going to show you guys exactly what I'm talking about by creating some example. Let's start by coding. Let's create a number called temp. We use the temperature example again. We're going to read some temperature. I'm going to say enter the temperature. And let's add a new line. Let's read this number. Okay, so guys, you guys saw that example with if, let's say, temper is less or equal 0, we would print its code. Else, let me see here. Else and else we could say cout it's normal, something like that. So you guys already saw this, but let's say I want to specifically try to do something within some range of temperature. Let's say between actually is then 32 actually, right? This is Fahrenheit. Okay, so let's say I want to do something else if the temperature is between some range, because this example here only works for these two types of values, as you guys can see. I cannot, let's say I could do something like this here. I could do some other stuff here, but this would be other. This would be not related to this one, so we need to do something else. Okay, so what you're gonna do is use the else if. Okay, so this clause actually starts with an else, so else if, and then our logic. Let's say so if we end up here, it means that the first statement is false. Okay, so if the temperature is less or equal to 32, we're gonna say it's cold. If temperature is less or equal to 64, let's put here, we can say it's normal. Else, we could say cout it's, let me see, it's kind of hot, something like that. It's kind of hot. Let me see, it's kind of hot. Let's come back with a and L here, so you guys can see here. Yeah. So this is the first part, is our first statement. So you're asking if temperature is less or equal to 32 Fahrenheit. So we added this else if statement, which imply that we have now these two are connected. Okay, they are in the same logic. So they can work together, and by default we have the else statement. So let's execute this to see the output. Let me see the execution pipeline. So you guys can see that it's okay. We are now, let's enter 12. It's code. Okay, that's okay. Let's compile and execute again. So we end up 35, we see it's normal. Okay, let's execute. If we end up 65, we see it's kind of hot, which is not actually hot. I don't think so, but you guys can see that this works. Okay, we could you could add something here more. Let's say temp 96. It's kind of normal. And else we could do cout pretty hot, something like that. Okay, let me see. So you guys can see that it's actually very straightforward. The logic, I started by with a negative number. Actually, this is not negative, but it's in Celsius is a negative number. So you guys can see that you need to follow the same logic, which is we are increasing the temperatures, okay, to follow the logic. You should actually follow this logic. We start by some point and adding up on top of it, because if you start by doing arbitrary statements, you will end up messing up your code. Okay, you could not do, let's say, let me see here. Temperature is greater than 64. Yeah, I don't see it here, but let's come back and try to end 100. Pretty hot, as you guys can see. Okay, so this was the video, guys. I hope you enjoy. See you guys next time.